Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong X, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer. Let's tap on the keypad and let's start with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and now let me show you another code which should open the calendar information. It is *##225#*##. And there we are in the calendar info. So here we've got all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the testing menu. It is *##4636#*##. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check the information connected with the phone, Wi-Fi or usage statistics. Let's tap on the phone info. Here we can check the email number again, the data service, the voice network type. Of course, you will be able to check the information if you will have your SIM card inserted. I do not have one. That's why I cannot check, for example, data service. Under it, you've got the option to run ping test. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's go back and usage statistics. So basically here we've got the list of apps which are currently on this device. You can change the sorting type by usage time, last time used, or app name, and check how much time you're spending on a specific app. And Wi-Fi information, for example, the status. You can refresh the stats and check the information just like the network status SSID or network ID. You can also run ping test right here. Let's go back and let me show you the last code which should open the diagnostic information. It is *##426###. And let me tap on events again. And here we can check the server, host, port, time connected. You can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status. Let's tap on it. So here you can check, for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.